Look at us being little tourists.
Oh my god, look at the giant flamingos.
Oh, that's it. Bye.
Three, two, one, go. No. So Emily, me, got Tesco cheese triple. So she's ate the tomato and cheese one. That was really nice. Should give it a...
Who's she?
Me. This is my demonstration. You take it off the sheet, peel the sticker off. Bam! Tap it down. Tap, tap, tap.
That's it. I think that's it.
Oh. 20 quid?
Yeah, 2 of these and a Coke minus tofu.
20 quid each?
No, together.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
So that's like 10.
I was going to say, because mine was like 8 quid.
Yeah, okay.
I was like, yo. Okay.
Tofu chow mein.
Tofu chow mein. What do you give it?
I don't, right now, as I am right now,
Yeah.
I'd give it like a 7.
A 7, why? Why a 7?
Because I think I was just hungry and I think it's just a chow mein.
Oh, okay. Was the seasoning?
It was saucy. I did have an issue. I thought it wasn't going to be very saucy. Was it saucy pad thai? Yeah, saucy pad thai.
Saucy pad thai?
Saucy pad thai.
Oh.
It was saucy enough for me.
Alright.
So that's why it's a 7. If it was less saucy, it would just be a mid. I don't think it is saucy enough for me.
Not saucy enough for me.
I think it's very salty, very MSG, very sodium.
Oh.
If you have, I love sodium. If you have kidney failure or a liver problem, this is not for you.